Let's talk about a virtual USDT trading pair with my customer said. What's going on now? So after the dump, we still in the same range because I think the virtual, if we will see the BTC dominance under 50%, can hit the new all-time high. It's around $6.18, $6.65. So this absolutely same chart, what I shared with you before, with the main targets. And now we will focus on the local timeframes. What's going on? We're more than okay to see the correction, if we will see the correction, and how low the virtual can dump and how high it can pump. So the target for the end of cycle, by my personal opinion, is still relevant. And yes, it's going to be the just insane gains, guys, because here it's on a max. This stock already performed like 34,000% gains, even bigger gains here. If we count from that low, it was an amazing. So yes, it was the lowest point, 34,000% gains. And if we hit the target, it's going to be 44,000% gains. So it's just a madness. Uncentralized exchange, it's not on the DEXs or so. All right, this is a target. Now we mark the top for this was the impulse top correction. We formed the correction to 78.86. Even lower with the Donald Trump dump. We crashed down to, it was around 28 cents. Invalidation of this FIB if we drop under 6 cents again. Is it possible? Yes, of course. Congrats everybody who get a chance to buy here at that dump, because I'm not sure if you get a chance with the limit orders to buy, but we bounced a pretty good one, like 500%. It's kind of weird, you know, how some tokens after the drop bounce at 500%, and even some fundamental tokens like Polkadot, for example, or ICP, not even bounce 50%. So it's kind of weird, right? So definitely weird. That's why, guys, this cycle is so difficult, and all the narratives, all the top tokens doesn't perform like previous cycle. So we need to choose wisely and to work with the money management and the risk management. So what do we get now on the daily time frame? It was a signal to buy, take profit, sell. So local zones for correction, guys. If we zoom out to the weekly time frame, this week still not formed the gap. So would be good, of course, to see the correction to $1.17, right, to form the some gap here between $1.17 and 88 cents, and continue rally higher and come back and close that gap later. Daily time frame, this gap done. Next gap is here. So this is the next target for virtual. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to this area, so we can mark this is like a 2 daily imbalance zone where we can come back and close maybe at the beginning of November. So this is a target. So it's $1.17 and $1.02. It's not a big deal from now, but it can be kind of scary, like 20% or 30% drop on the spot or the futures for virtual. 12 time frame also signal to sell, like confirmation, right? So there's no signals to buy. The main signal to buy was here. And guys, once again, it's absolutely more than okay to fix the profit after 500% profit pump. So it's so obvious. All right, let's hide the global FIB and double check the local one. If we count the local one FIB, not from this week, you know, because it was like a flash crash, right, on the exchanges. So let's count the impulse and the top. Here, the FIB, just basic one. Here's a impulse top. At least we can drop to 0.5 and 61 to close the daily imbalance zone. It will be more than okay, like $1.08. Next step is this block 91.84. So just mark the zones for potential drop. And here you can try open long position, for example. It's kind of huge stop loss, like 44% was the second leverage, but can be the pretty good risk reward ratio if we go straight forward to the new high. Even here, even if we want to open trade like this one, so let's say in average, we can open the trade 88 cents, stop loss 13%, like 26% was the second leverage against the 240% in take profit zone. Done. All right, so daily time frame, like you can see the sell signals, no signals to buy. Here was a also sell signal on the 4 hour time frame, and we drop it. So now I don't see any bullish signals for virtual on the local time frames. 2 imbalance zones relevant, and we can wait that targets. Take a look the ADZ direction. This is not a buy signals. This is a sell signals for correction. This is also distribution. So I guess we will see the correction. Daily time frame, we overhype it on ADZ. Still no signals to sell on direction, but I guess soon we will see that signals. So definitely this is a distribution zone. Weekly time frame for investments, right? I guess we can go higher to the new all-time high if of course, guys, if the money from the BTC will inflow in alts. At current moment, we can't know. We can't know. Maybe the cycle will be totally different, not like previous one, and the liquidity from the gold not rotate to the BTC, and from BTC not rotate to the Ethereum and to the other tokens. It's possible, but we work with the previous patterns, right? The previous models, and waiting maybe the money from the BTC, when the BTC dominance will go down, no matter where will be the BTC, at 137 or at 100K. So we need to see the BTC dominance going down, so the liquidity will outflow into alts. If liquidity will not outflow from the BTC to alts, it can be the crazy dump, like this one, for example. So many tokens, guys, already perform it, and virtual was one of them. So congrats everybody who invested it. It was a pretty amazing gains, 30,000% gains, guys. Daily time frame, this is a total apheria on the daily. Weekly, just a positive. That's why weekly time frame, guys. I think if this was a flash crash, like a black swan, the last dump, and we will see the BTC dominance under 50%. Yes, this is just a positive, not a apheria like this one, and we will see the new all-time high. Daily time frame, it's for correction locally, would be good to see the drop, because it's apheria after 500%, of course. Money power, money in, it was like 1.98 cents flash crash without money in, and they pump to $1.66. Here's a money outflow. So it's kind of weird, right? So 12 time frame, also some money was here, money out. Every side bearish they were, see drop, black swan, 2 days in a row, some whales fix a profit on the max. Trade on, I showed you take profit, guys. Take profit on the weekly, no data, still, I don't know why. And here daily, we reject almost at the exit line, now reject the take profit line. So the test of the buy line will be at 76 cents. 12 time frame, buy line now it's 70 cents. So just be careful, guys. 4 hour time frame, I'm more than sure we're gonna drop to the buy line, but buy line are dynamic. So here, take profit line test about it's $1.27, and I guess we will drop to this one area 96, 79, and it's gonna be the test of the buy line, something like this one. It's 4 hour time frame, and recover more. If not, we can go once again to sweep this low. So guys, build a plan. My zone of interest can be around here. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you would like to trade with my customer, because I will show on this video, right? Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.